Hey guys, Coach 𝐼𝐧𝐻𝐿 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I wanted to talk about, let me move my camera over a little bit. I wanted to talk about Infinity Processing System, and I wanted to go over what skills you really need to learn and master to make money online. So I talk about this a lot in my videos, that it's not enough to just want to make money online. It's not enough to just have a make money online opportunity. You're able to make money through the skill sets that you develop, but what a lot of people won't do is explain what those skill sets are. So I'm going to be very clear and explain exactly what skill sets you need to master as an affiliate marketer to be able to make money online. So before we jump into that, if you're looking for a way to make $300, $150 commissions with no monthly fees, right beneath this video you can learn more about Infinity Processing System. Enter your best email so we can get connected, and all the information will be there for you. All right, so let's jump right into it. Again, a lot of beginners want to know what are the skill sets that you need to know, learn, and master in order to make money consistently as an affiliate marketer. So I'm going to go over what those skill sets are. Those skill sets are, first of all, you need to have a funnel set up. What happens is a lot of affiliate marketers immediately get a sales page. They go out there and they start marketing, and then they're like, I'm not making any sales with my sales page. Okay, your website or your sales page is not enough for you to make sales, because it takes a person an average of 7 to 10 times of seeing your offer before they even think about pulling out their credit card to buy. Okay, what your autoresponder will do is it will follow up with that person and deliver more information to them until that person has sorted themselves in the category of, nah, it's not for me, yeah, I'm interested, I'm curious, or I'm ready to get started. Okay, so that your autoresponder does that sorting for you. In Infinity Processing System, module number 2, she's going to show you how to set up your automated sales funnel. Okay, and if you're at the pro level, there's a section where she's going to give you 30 emails that you can plug into your autoresponder to follow up with people, so that you don't have to come up with the emails yourself. Those emails, as soon as someone enters into your funnel, they're automatically going to get follow-up emails with more information about the product. Okay, so that's what step number 1, you want to learn how to do funnels. Now, I talked about this before, is learning how to build funnels is not only a skill set that will help you make money in your business, but it's a skill set that you can take and turn into an additional stream of income. And you can take that skill set, you can charge businesses, you can charge other marketers to set up their funnels, and you can make good income just by learning how to set up simple capture pages and landing pages and autoresponder sequences, things like that. So that's a skill set. Skill set number 1 is learning how to set up an autoresponder. Okay. Skill set number 2 that you need to learn to make money online is you need to learn how to make simple videos that can attract to you. People always say attraction marketing. Simple videos that can attract to you people who are already looking for your opportunity or looking for your product. Okay, so it doesn't matter what you're promoting, you need to learn how to make simple videos where you can attract to you people who are interested in your product, your opportunity, your service, whatever. Okay, YouTube is a free platform where you can do that. Okay, you could also do that on Facebook. In the Infinity Processing System, she teaches you exactly, using the VIP formula, how to make simple videos that attract, and how to correctly put keywords in your title so that you could attract people to you that are looking for what it is you have to offer. Okay, so that's skill set number 2. Skill set number 1, autoresponder. Skill set number 2, video marketing. And for those of you who always talk about, you always hear this, oh, I want to have a passive income business. Passive income means you did something one time, and over and over and over again, it's bringing you leads, visibility, and sales. Okay, I do videos, and years later, some of these videos are still making me commissions. There's sometimes I forget that I have put that video out there, and then until I get a commission, I'm like, oh, right. That's the power of YouTube marketing. I don't care about all these other platforms that may come and go. YouTube marketing is bae. Learn YouTube marketing, and that at the pro level is in there. Okay, so that's skill set number 2. Skill set number 3 is learning how to email broadcast your list. So as you build your autoresponder on your capture page, you're going to be collecting leads, and that is your email list. Okay, now as you build this list, you can send simple email broadcasts, right? So learning how to send an email broadcast is skill set number 3 to your email list as you build it. What are you sending to this list in terms of email broadcasts? Proof, results, and progress. Not necessarily your own proof, right? Proof of members in your group. So from the proof group, you're going to be sharing with them your journey, things that you learned. You're going to be sharing them any results that you got, whether you got leads or sales and things like that. And you're going to be inviting them to get started. Those are the types of emails that you want to send to your list. Okay. Now, again, she covers this at the pro level in the training. Okay. So that's skill set number 4, knowing how to email broadcast your list and stay in contact with your list. All right. Skill set number 5. I think I'm on 5. I don't know. I lost count. Skill set number 5 is learning how to make a simple social media post. A simple social media post. Okay. Because, I did a video on a simple marketing plan, right? And it included, make a YouTube review, email your list, do a social media post, and follow up, right? So these are all essential skills. And number 5 is make a simple social media post. You want to know how to post on social media so that you can attract people to you who are curious and interested in your product, your service, your opportunity. And with Affinity Processing System, you're not promoting opportunity, you're promoting the product. The product is how to learn how to be a better affiliate marketer. That's the product. The byproduct is you get to make $300 commissions when somebody buys that product. Okay, so as much as people want to talk about Affinity Processing System is a work from home opportunity, it's not. This digital product that has a reseller opportunity tied to it. Other way around. And if you think about it that way, you'll make a lot more money. But anyways, I think I was on number 5. Number 5, learn how to post the right way on social media so that you're not spammy, so that your posts attract to you people who are interested. And that is taught in Affinity Processing System in the Facebook training and the TikTok and the Instagram training. So I would pick one of those platforms. Again, I always tell beginners, YouTube and Facebook are the simplest 2 platforms to get started, and you can automate a lot of that. And there you go. Facebook and YouTube. All right, you can learn how to make simple posts. Okay, she teaches that using the VIP formula in Affinity Processing System. All right, step number 6. This is where a lot of people lose coins. You have to learn to follow up. You probably heard a million people say it. The fortune's in the follow-up. The fortune's in the follow-up. Well, here's the thing. Once you set up that autoresponder, that's going to help with doing a lot of your follow-up. However, anybody who's reached out to you and asked you for information, get us a 1-subject or 3-subject notebook. Write their name and where they found you, whether it be Facebook Messenger, they called you and their number, whatever, right? And I want you to get a follow-up date. I've said this before, that I've made thousands of dollars online by simply following up with people asking me for information. Hey, are you ready to get started? Do you have any questions? Here's some more proof if you're trying to make a decision, etc., etc., etc. It's not about bothering somebody, but if they reached out, they're interested. It just might be that it wasn't the right time for them at the time that they reached out. Maybe it wasn't their payday. Maybe they're trying to get the money together. Maybe they need you just to show them one more proof that it actually works for them to make a decision. Maybe it's that they got busy and life happened and they forgot. So having a follow-up day will help you close more sales. Okay, so I just wanted to point that out. So those are the core, I would say like 6 or something skill sets, and let me go over them again. Make sure you know how to make a YouTube review, right? So, 1, set up your funnel. 2, know how to do a simple YouTube video. 3, know how to email broadcast your list. 4, know how to make a simple social media post. 5, know how to follow up. And in Affinity Processing System, she gives you a follow-up script. Don't tell me you don't know what to say. It's in the elite and the what in the world? It's in the elite and the pro level. Okay, so if you're ready to get started with Affinity Processing System, make $300 and $150 commissions from home by learning and mastering the skill sets that I just talked about and sharing that with others who really want to learn that skill set so that they can make money consistently online, then I want you to click the link beneath this video. enter your best email. Reach out if you have any questions. I do give my bonuses, which are my YouTube training and my Facebook training as a bonus. There, you don't need a bonus with IPS, but I give it anyways. And that's it. Smash that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.